Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani, an intuitive energy alchemist. I help people to create the life they desire. I work on mental and emotional issues of people. Today's video is about a meditation on how to reduce anxiety and stress through meditation and manifest the life you desire. So I will be starting now and you can just relax and listen to it. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and just relax. Relax on top of your head to the tip of your toes. Just relax. Inhale all positivity, good things, happy memory, joy in your life. And exhale all negativity, stress, tension. Just relax. Inhale all the happy memories, joy, peace, and just exhale all the sadness, anger, hurt. Just let go. And now I want you to imagine someone who's hurt you the most, and you just can't let go of that hurt in your life. So I want you to imagine that person next to you and just tell that person, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I repeat, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Just keep repeating that and just let go of all the pain, all the anger, all the resentment, all the revenge you had in your life. Just let go. Just inhale and exhale. Because in life, to move forward, it's very important to forgive people who have hurt us the most. So just let go. Just keep saying this in the mind and let go. And now again inhale all the happy things, happy memories, and just exhale all the negativity, all the stress. And now I want you to visualize how would your life want to look like 5 years down the line. I want you to visualize any one area of your life and visualize and feel it. Have that burning desire that you really wish to create and manifest the life you want. Have that emotion, that feeling, that positivity, happiness, that yes, I would want my life to be like that. It could be any one area, health, wealth, or even relationships. And then I want you to also visualize what are the action steps you're going to take to achieve that. And then finally, after that, I want you to imagine that you have already achieved it. And after having achieved that, what is your body language? What is your energy? How are you feeling about yourself? How is your life? Have you expanded your life? You're so happy, you're so joyous, you just are celebrating life. Because in the end, It's finally, we have to celebrate each day of our life. That's very important. Celebrate every little thing in your life and see what really manifests. Just visualize it, feel it, imagine as if you're celebrating it, that you've already achieved the outcome. Inhale all the positivity, manifestation, all that what you have achieved, and exhale all the limitations, all the barriers, all the negative thoughts, all the lack mindset. Just let it go. Nothing can stop you. And ask, what if life was a celebration? How would I live my life as? What if I was unstoppable in anything I do? What would my life be like? What would my life look like? How would I like to manifest this area of my life? And just relax. Just relax. For example, if I want to be a big businesswoman or have happier relationships, what energy would I have to be that? What would I have to do to be that? Who are the people I would want to bring into my life to achieve that goal? And just relax. And finally, enjoy the journey. Don't focus on the destination, because it's important to enjoy and have fun in everything you do. And now, slowly inhale and exhale. I will be counting from 1 to 10, and you can come back and open your eyes when I finish with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just relax and open your eyes. This is a very powerful meditation, guys, because sometimes I've seen people, they are taking all the action steps, they are working very hard, but if your energy is not of joy and fun, and your energy is more of stress, you will not be able to attract the life you want. Because it's very important to be the energy in whatever you're asking for in your life, whether it's relationships, whether it's more wealth, whether it's more health. It's very important to be the energy. And my book is also there, From Mess to Manifest, which is a combination of spiritual and physical aspect. Because if you want to achieve anything in your life, it's very important to have a combination of both spiritual and physical aspects. So thank you so much for watching this meditation, and please practice this every day, and I would love to hear from you what showed up in your life, and please comment below and how this meditation has benefited you, as I believe that everyone is a gift on planet Earth, and every one of you have gift, talents and abilities that not everyone has, as everyone is unique on planet Earth. Thank you so much, and if you love this video, please share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe for my YouTube channel and check out my website www.natashaadvani.com. Thank you.